Another most important thing of firefighting is your FM200 system. So every hotel is having like 8 to 9 FM200 systems. 8 to 9, for example, your CCTV room, MDF room, CCTV control room, BMS room, LV room, do room, Etisalat room. Generator room is having foam control system, but the operation is similar to FM200 only. There's nothing different. Even the panels are same. Only the type of media used is different. But anyway, FM200. So FM200 is basically, it is a gas system. It is having a gas cylinder inside. In case of fire, the gas cylinder will release the gas all over the area, and the fire will stop. But that gas is quite hazardous. It should not be inside. So this system, I will tell you how to stop the gas release, but you just keep in mind you cannot be a superhero in this case. If you're not able to handle it, just stay away. Simply stay away, because the system is very, very critical. Okay, inside the room having two zones, zone 1 and zone 2. Every room is divided into two zones, depend. Some of the room are divided into 3 zones, but in Row Hotel basically we got 2 zones only, zone 1 and zone 2. If zone 1 is only activated, the gas will not release. It will not release. But if both the zones, zone 1 and zone 2, if both the zone got activated, then the system will give command to release the gas, basically. But even before releasing the gas, the system will give you 30 seconds to look after it. Within 30 seconds, you have to take decision whether the fire is real, whether it's just a fault, whether you have to stop it or you don't have to stop it. Within 30 seconds only, which is quite critical. We well understand that suppose if you are somewhere in guest room, maybe you're in roof, maybe you're somewhere outside, you cannot reach here within the 30 seconds. That is quite impossible unless you are just nearby. So in my case, it happened once. My guy was just here and he came and he was able to handle it. So first thing you have to do, once you are getting call from CCTV room that there is fire alarm in, suppose in do room FM200 panel. So you have to come here. First thing you have to do, you have to open it and you have to see this display. This display will show you the seconds, descending order 13. It will from 32 it will go down 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, and once it will reach to 1, the gas will release. So you have to keep yourself out of that area. So if suppose you are here nearby and you are saying that your second is just started like 30, 29 seconds, so at least you can think like within 20 seconds you can do something. So what you have to do, when there are different ways to stop the first you have to check if the fire is real. Open the door and see that the fire is real, but make sure if the seconds are on, then only you have to open the door. If the seconds are already stopped, that means gas is already released, you cannot open the door. You'll open the door, gas will come out, and that gas is quite hazardous. It can make a big damage. So you have to make sure if the seconds are on, that means the gas is still not released, timer is on. Then you can open the door and you can see inside if there is a real fire or not. If it is not a real fire, okay, then you have to think about stopping it, because after like 30 seconds the gas will release itself. So you have to stop it because gas is quite expensive. Open it. Once you will open this key, I don't want to touch it because it's quite complicated. So once you will open it, there will be a relay as well as 2 batteries. You have to open the connection of relay and you have to open the connection of batteries. Once you will open the connection of relay and batteries, the system will stop. This is one thing to stop it. You can check in your panel. Just open the connection of relay, open the connection of battery, the system will stop. This is one way of stopping it. There are 2 more ways to stop it. You will go inside. You go inside. Okay. See, this button is there. It is called system abort. Once you will press and hold it, that seconds will stop, the timer will stop, timer will hold. Like for example, it started from 30 and reached to 20. But once you put abort button, it will stop at 20. But the moment you release it will start again, 20, 19, 18, 17, it will start again. So if you are 2-3 guys, one guy can abort it. Like for example, 2 guys are there, one guy can put abort button from here, and I would advise you to keep your door open in case of fake fire. Keep the door open, abort it, and one guy can remove the connection from outside. or maybe, so this is the second option. You have to put abort, you have to press this button and hold it, that is abort option. Third option is, I already removed it. It's supposed to be here. I was having some maintenance issues, so I just removed it. So what you have to do, you have to take it out. This plug. So this plug is getting command from your external panel. So once you will remove it, gas will not release. So you just have to remove it. So there are different types of plugs are coming. Like in, I have seen in some other places there's a pin. There's a pin like pin is like passing through. You have to remove the pin and you have to take it away. Once you take it, this cylinder will be isolated from the panel, so the gas will not release. But these things you have to do only in case of fake fire. I mean fake alarm. In case of real alarm, don't even try to come near to the system. Just leave it. Let the gas release. Let it do its job. Never ever try to come close in case of real alarm. But even if the gas is released, if you came out, if you came running and you saw already 30 seconds have passed, don't ever try to enter the room immediately. Call Simca and ask for the instruction. They will ask you to go after 15 minutes, maybe half an hour, because the gas will be still in this atmosphere and it can make a big damage. So don't try to enter if the gas is released. You are only allowed to do so if the first case, if the fire is not real, if it was just a fault, or second case, you are confident enough to handle it, which I will tell you not to do so. So this is how it is. So 3 ways to stop it. Stop the gas. Either remove this plug, abort button, or third thing, you have to open the connections from there, power connections from there, battery and relay connections from the panel. It will stop. Gas will not release.